to select like contacts, emails, all kinds of things that you want them to have access to, right?
Yeah.
And you'll do that when you set them up. So my virtual assistant has access to be able to make cold calls, so they have to have access to my contacts. So what I did is I created a system. And a lot of times you'll see everybody says create systems, create systems, create systems, and they don't really show you how to create it. They just tell you, right?
Right.
So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So all I did was I went ahead and I went through the process of whatever it is that I'm doing. So like for doing cold calls, from first step to the last step, I wrote everything down into a list. So I log into CRM program and then verify security code. And I kept going down, right? As I did that, and I made a list. So just act as if none of these screenshots are here. So
Mm-hmm.
after I did all that, so it goes all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
This is my kind of a list of everything, notes, example of previous notes. So I put everything here that I could think of. And when I did it, I actually walked through it. I sat down and I said, okay, this is what I do. The next step, the next step.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like I was in the military and we use an acronym KISS principle, keep it simple, stupid, right? Make it as simple as possible so that if you just handed that information to somebody, they could do it without asking you any questions. So you keep going through it. So after I did that, and this one is actually, and then the end. This one's actually what, 15 things on the checklist. So after I did that, then with each one of my steps,
Mm-hmm.
I just took a picture. I took a screenshot. And you click the snapshot tool at the bottom of your screen or wherever it is on your laptop or your computer. You click a screenshot, and I'm gonna bring it over here, and this will pop up. Can you see that?